Welcome you all for KLBiologyNEET. Today we are going to discuss body fluid and circulation. Two questions you may get from this chapter, children. So this chapter you are having two topics. One is blood, another topic is related to the heart. So today we are going to start with blood. You all know blood is a fluid connective tissue. Okay, so it connects from head to toe and it is a fluid connective tissue, and you know it is slightly viscous and also sticky. So when you compare with the water, as it is a liquid tissue, it is a sticky in nature. Okay, and what is the purpose of blood? Why we need blood? We transport oxygen, carbon dioxide like gases only via blood. Apart from that, we also transport waste materials like urea, uric acid, which are all formed due to metabolic process. And what is the pH of our blood? It is 7.4. What is the volume of our blood? Hardly 5 to 6 liters. The volume and osmotic pressure is under the influence of ADH, that is antidiuretic hormone, and also aldosterone and ANF, atrial natriuretic factor. So these three controls what and all. Actually the volume is regulated and also osmotic pressure. So this is regarding blood, children. And you know blood is having two components. One is plasma, another one is formed elements. So this formed elements only we have RBC, WBC, platelets, all these will come. Now tell me, children, the liquid part of blood is mainly due to either formed elements like RBC, WBC, platelets or plasma. Can you post your answers in the comment box, children, as always. Thank you all for watching this video. Please subscribe and support.